Electric car fleets are just as easy to operate as combustion engine fleets used to be. Your employees charge at home, whether at the socket or in a permanently installed charging station. Billing is fully automatic, fast, simple and clear, and instead of a fuel card, the employee receives a mobile charging station with a meter, allowing them to charge wherever they want. Let's take a look at how it all works. The basic question of why you should switch to an electric vehicle car fleet can be answered quite simply with 2 points. Firstly, the electric vehicle fleet can help you achieve your CO2 targets. And secondly, once the fleet has been electrified, it can significantly reduce your overall costs, i.e. the TCO, especially if your employees charge at home. And apart from that, electric cars are fun to drive. Fun. What are the advantages of charging at home? Lower operating costs. Charging at home is much cheaper per kilowatt-hour charge than at a public charging station. And the higher the proportion of kilowatt-hours charged at home, the better for the total cost of ownership. TCO. Time is money. Charging at home can be done overnight or while your employee is at work and the car is parked anyway. This completely eliminates the extra trip to the public charging station and the time until the battery is full. A high proportion of AC charging reduces the stress on your vehicle battery. The battery degrades less and the entire vehicle has a longer life expectancy and therefore a much higher residual value. The battery is freshly charged every morning without you having to do anything extra. And so your employee can start the day totally relaxed. But aren't there a number of obstacles? Typical obstacles to charging at home are that the employee does not yet have a charging station. In the best case scenario, they already have a high voltage socket. Others already have a privately installed charging station with a socket or cable. Correct billing is complicated, confusing, or usually virtually impossible. Juice solves all that. With the mobile charging station, the Juice Booster 3 Air, you have a digital precise electricity meter with billing capabilities and a free app for exporting charging data. The booster adapts to all situations for your employees. And even if the socket is too far away, we also have extension cables. The best option, of course, is an industrial socket, which is also very inexpensive to install. If the employee already has a charging station, but with a socket, he can simply use our Type 2 adapter and connect the Juice Booster in between. And then, of course, there is the case of employees who already have a charger with a cable. And now it's time for our charger adapter. I'll briefly show you how to put it into operation. First, we remove the cover from the adapter and connect the Juice Booster to it. Now we put the cover back on the adapter and fix it in place. If the employee now wants to charge for the company, he opens the port of the charger adapter and connects to his charging station. If everything is now set up correctly, the employee can connect his vehicle to the Juice Booster cable and, if necessary, authenticate his charger. The Juice Booster then receives power and counts the charge for the company. All boosters used generate a monthly invoice, which you can either receive in paper form or as usual on your PC. How does this work for you as a fleet manager? If you wish, we can provide you with a defined quantity of Juice Boosters and 2 different RFID cards so that you can separate private and commercial charging processes in the billing. This means that your employees can start charging immediately, which is then billed on a monthly basis. To simplify the process for you, we can even send the boosters directly to the employees so that you have no stress at all. If an employee relocates, they simply take the booster with them, and if an employee leaves the company, they return the booster with the vehicle. This completely eliminates the dismantling costs for your company. The Juice EV fleet solution. Everything from a single source, fully automated. It couldn't be simpler.